So, DE, so 6.4 is on mid-segments. And just quickly, a mid-segment is easy. If I have a triangle, and I find the midpoint of this line segment and the midpoint of this line segment, and I connect them, and if I call this A, B, C, and I call this D, E, where D is a midpoint of line segment AB, and E is a midpoint of line segment BC, then DE is equal to 1/2 AC. That's the property of it. It's really easy. Also, DE is parallel to AC. So this line segment here is parallel to this line segment here. That's it. That's the property. And it's real easy. Mid-segment, midpoint, 1/2, 1/2. That's it.
That don't look like half.
Well, I'm sketching it, but it is 1/2. Okay, I'm sketching it by hand, but it is 1/2. So let's apply that to this one. So problem number 1, it says, in triangle ABC, show that the mid-segment ED is parallel to BC, and that ED is 1/2 of, actually, we're going to skip 1 through 5. We're going to skip down, we're going to go down to 6, because this one, I want you to get we'll come back and revisit the coordinate stuff, but I want you to focus on just seeing a figure in the image and calculating from there. So let's label this one. So it says AB is 16. Okay? What is QS? Well, if this is 16 and it's 1/2 of this, and we know that AB is the mid-segment because it says these are the midpoints of the sides, it would be 16 times 2, which is equal to 32. So this is 16 times 2, which is 32. Then it says that SR is 68. What is AC or CA? Well, that would be 68 divided by 2, which is what? 34. So let's label that. See how easy that is? All right. Now it tells us that SR, why would it say SR is, what is BR? When SR, oh, they're changing it on us. So skip, oh, we don't have to label this. All right, they're changing it on us. So if SR is 46, what would BR be? 1/2 of that, right? BR. Yeah, it would be 46 divided by 2, which is 34. Or, I mean, 23. My bad. Wow, I made one mistake. I've done 30 problems, and I made one mistake. Man, I'm so glad that I am not half as critical of you guys as you are of me. All right, now if CA, I'm going to erase these figures here because it looks like it changes the numbers for all of them, so we're just going to kind of think about it. If CA is 3x minus 1, and SR is 5x plus 4, what's CA? So now here's a tricky one. For number 9, CA is equal to 1/2 times SR, right? Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
So then CA is 3x minus 1 equals 1/2 times 5x plus 4. Now, if I multiply by 1/2, one way that I could get rid of the 1/2 is I multiply both sides by 2. So this times 2, this times 2, this cancels with this 2, and I get 6x minus 2, because I'm going to distribute the 2 through the parentheses, is equal to 5x plus 4, subtract 5x, subtract 5x, and I get x over here minus 2 equals 4, add 2 to both sides, I get x equals 6, and then to find out what CA is, I'm just going to say 3 times 6 minus 1. What's 3 times 6? 18 minus 1 is? 17. So that's a lot of algebra. Mr. Adams is just going to double check and make sure that I know what I'm doing. And that was problem number, what was that, 9? 10?
It was 9.
You guys don't know what's going on. 17 is the correct answer.
Go back.
17 is the correct answer. So did you see how I did that? Now this one says QS is 6x and CS is 5x minus 8. What is AB? So anyways, we're not gonna do the rest for time's sake. We're running out of time. So just cross the rest off. When I give you the test, I'm gonna try and keep it, you just gotta do one of those types of problems, okay?